In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change the author of a post in WordPress. There may be instances where you need to change the author of a post. You can do it very easily. Just navigate to the post you want to change the author in. I'll edit this post. Now, on the right-hand side, click on the Status and Visibility option. And here you have this section called Author. Click here and you get an option to select from the authors you have. Just select the author you want to be displayed, and then click on Update. And this will change the author of that post. But there may be instances where you need to change the author of multiple posts, and doing that with this method can be pretty tedious. So just go to All Posts, then select the posts you want to change the authors in. Then click on Bulk Action and click on Edit. Then Apply. And here you have the Author section. Click on this drop-down and select the author you want. And then click on Update. And the author of all the selected posts has been changed. This is how you can change the author of a post in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.